Alright, so just got in my package from Luimoto. Seat covers, you can see that good there. For both the rear and front seat of my GSX-R 1000. So I'm not going to show you how to install them. It's pretty basic, but I will show you the before and after. Something like that. So there it is. Here's the strap for the rear seat. A little close up. Here's the front seat cover. You see that? Company based out of Canada. And this is the condition of the rear seat. It's a used motorcycle that I bought. It's my first motorcycle, GSX-R 1000. So I'll show you how that looks. And then I'll show you how this looks once they're installed. Rust on those. Hopefully the cushion isn't bad. Alright, so here are the old seat covers, as you can see, in bad shape. And here's the new Luimoto seat cover. Pretty easy to install. I think the small one was $30. This one was $40 for the GSX-R 1000 K8. Alright, so let's go see how it looks on the motorcycle. Alright, so here we go. I have the Luimoto seat cover. Very satisfied with how it looks. I could have went with the OEM seat, but that would have been $300 a pop. Extremely happy. Just gotta clean it off, dust it off, and we'll be good. Give me a like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have an amazing day.